Introduction: Virtual Whiteboard Troubleshooting.
Virtual whiteboards are essential for online collaboration, but they aren't immune to technical issues. Whether you're teaching, brainstorming, or presenting, glitches can disrupt your workflow. This guide offers quick troubleshooting tips for the most common problems, helping you stay productive and focused.
Fixing connectivity and loading problems.
If your virtual whiteboard won't load or is slow, check your internet connection first. Refresh the browser, clear cache, or try a different browser entirely. Make sure you're using a supported device and have updated software. If the problem persists, restart your device or test on a different network to rule out connectivity issues.
Resolving drawing and tool issues.
Sometimes tools like pens or shapes may not respond. Double-check that you've selected the correct tool. If the problem continues, log out and back in, or reload the whiteboard page. For stylus or touchscreen devices, ensure drivers are updated and fingers or pens are clean and compatible with your device.
Solving audio and video problems.
If you or participants can't hear or see content shared on the board, verify permissions for microphone and camera access in your browser or app. Make sure audio isn't muted and your device's volume is up. Closing unused tabs and rejoining the board can fix many minor audio or video glitches quickly.
Addressing sharing and access issues.
If you can't share the whiteboard or invite others, examine sharing settings and permissions. Ensure everyone has the right link and required access privileges. Resend invitations if needed. If you see permission errors, contact your workspace admin to resolve account or guest access restrictions.
When to seek further help.
If common fixes don't solve your issue, check the Virtual Whiteboards Help Center or support forums for updates or known outages. Contact customer support with specific details about your problem, device, and browser. Prompt action and clear information help resolve issues faster and keep your sessions running smoothly.